Okay, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Tuesday verb. Believe. 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 To think. Think that something is true. To think. Not to know, but to think. To think. Do you believe her? Yes, I believe her. I believe what she told me. She told me is true. Not that you know, but you believe. Believe it to be true. Without any evidence. Any evidence. Nothing to support or dispute what you're believing in. Just, I believe it. I hope so. I hope that's the case. She wants to believe. She wants to believe, but she needs more evidence. She needs more evidence. Yeah. Yes, some people believe in all sorts of different things. So people believe in all sorts of things. Believe in this, believe in that, believe in this, believe in them, and beyond. Yeah. So that means that I believe, you believe, they believe. Yeah. He believes. Oops. She believes. It believes. Yeah. I believe him. She believes you. I believe him. She believes me. Me. It believes that it can fly. No, it can't, but it believes it, you know. She believes him. Him when he told her that story. Okay? He believed me. Just like that. He believed me so easily. He believed me so easily. Like that. Easy. Easy. They aren't believing you. Nah, they don't believe you. They aren't listening to you, and they aren't believing you. Yeah, they're not believing you. No way. Yeah. Yeah. No way they're going to believe you. They are not going to believe you. They're not going to listen to you at all. No way will they believe you. That story is too wild. No way they're going to believe you. No way. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? I believe, you believe, they believe. I believe the story. You believe the message. They believe what they heard on TV. He believes what I told him. She believes that he went to the party. It believes that it will work. The machine believes this is the answer. This is the equation. Okay, maybe. Yeah. So, I believe it is a useful word to know in English. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you write believe in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And can you like the video and subscribe? More videos to come, more lessons to come, more things on their way. And follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, let's keep exploring.